직접 우체통에 넣게 해줬어요. 나스한 양말과 따끈한 코코아가 있는 보송보송한 세상으로 돌아.
내가 갖고 왔어. 나 이거 쇼콜라 먹어도 돼? 근데 무너진다.
거밖에 없어. 흥이 나지. 뭔가 존재감 뿜뿜 스타일 아니야?
아 예쁘다 그렇다. 지렁이도 넣어줘. 금색.
last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss, because you are like a tidal wave is ripping up my life, and living without a trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting so much for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding on through the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Then with the colors of spring, my heart will blossom up again. Speeding up, and with your smile it will erupt. And I collect all I can, set aside all the supplies. Your kisses and warmth to get through winter time, because I'm your silent patient. Yes, I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting so long for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding on to the winter for your kiss to wake me up, because I'm your silent patient. Silent patient. Yes, yes, I am.